Okay, unboxing. Open tayo ng regalo ng baby ko. Yay! Open natin. Small to big. Okay? You wanna open this? Happy birthday, Yuen, from Sandro. Yay! You like it? Let's open, okay? Wow! Ay, Alpha baby ka! Tuwan-tuwa siya. You happy? You like it? Oh, hold it. Yay! Iba ganun. Alpha dito. Oh, pangalawa ha. Do you like it? Oh, next. Small muna tayo. Ano? So, merong maraming nagbigay ng cash and greetings. Ang dami, oh. Yay! Thank you so much. Thank you all. Next one. Next one, ano? Okay. Wait for mommy. Next one. Next. Wow, this is from Tita Bridget and family. Yay! Oh, get this one. Yay! You have a new. Wow! Cute naman ito. May damit ka, oh. You have damit. Lots of damit yan. Thank you, Tita Bridget. Tignan natin yung ano ni Mami. Next! Oh, ito na muna yung toy mo. Oh, this yung toy. Oh, next one. How about this? Can we open this? This is the box. What is this? Yay! Wow! Wow! Wooden ano ulit? Ah, it's a car! Car station! Wow! You have a new toy! Yay! Thank you so much! Walang pangalan. No name. I think kila Zito. Di ko alam kung kanina to. I don't know. Thank you so much. Wala pong name eh. Next! Happy birthday from Tita Jenny! Ninang Jenny! Ninang Jenny! Wow! Damit ulit! Nice one! You have new na naman damit, oh. Galing! May cords ka, anak, oh. Gagamitin mo sa spring. Okay, thank you. Oh, hold this, hold. Next one, the small one is this one. Let's open this. Dami, hindi natin matapos to, anak, kasi kakain ka na later. Kanina to, walang pangalan. Basta binigyan ka lang. No name. Thank you. No name ulit. No name. Wow! It's a car t-shirt. Oh. Hold it tight, hold. Oh, kinain mo na. That's not food. Thank you. Goy, ang kapal na ng damit mo. Daming damit, oh. Next. Who's this? Wala ulit pangalan. Ay, dito meron. There's no name. I can see here. Walang name. Ang daming walang name, anak. Thank you. Anyway, thank you po. There's a lot. Oh, wow! Wow! You have pajama! Thank you! Uy! Ano nangyari sa'yo? Ang dami. Yeah. Wow! Wow! Wow, may pajama si Yuen. Ang gagamit mo to, anak, siguro pag malaki ka na. Parang hindi na ako bibili ng mga damit mo. Ano? Pang ano to eh. Pang big boy na to. Next one. You like it? Do you like it? Yay! Next is, Happy birthday, Yuan! From Ninang Arjen and family! Yay! Wow! May damit si Yuan! You have damit, anak. Oh, dami mong damit, anak. Ang dami. Ang dami. Ang dami, oh. Wow. Oh, wait for mommy. Careful. Oh, you have letter here. Let mommy read it, okay? Let's put all the letter in the box. Oh, you have money again here. Thank you so much, Sakash. May pakash pa ulit ah. Thank you. You have money, oh. You have lots of money. Oh, this is your ano. But careful. Oh. This is your toy. Hold it. While I'm opening your gift. Okay? Oh, next. Ito muna, half muna kasi hindi natin kaya. Ang dami pag nandito na si Daddy. Small things muna na. Small bag muna. Okay. Okay, so alright. Thank you. May damit ka po. Ang galing naman ni. Napaka-generous talaga ng Ninang RJ mo. Grabe. Good job. Wow! Thank you. Uy, may red. Wow! Cute. Mommy loves red and yellow for you eh. Oh, next. Last one muna to, anak. Di natin kaya buksan na. Kung nandito na lang si Daddy, okay? Oo. What do you want? Wow! What's this? Tita Jean. Let's open this. Tita Jean, thank you. Wow! It's a toy. I see a dog. It's a toy. Oh, ganda. Wow! Oh. Lumabas na siya. Oh, last na yan. Wala na sa pwesto. Wow! Thank you, Tita Jean. Wow, may Lego si Yuen. Yuen have Lego. Yay! Dong. Thank you. Mamaya na ulit. Mukhang umayaw na anak ko. Ang dami. Thank you so much. Yay! May part 2. Yung part 2, yung big naman. Yung mga nasa malaking paper bag naman. Na, okay na, let's go! Yay! Good job! Oh, dami nabuksan. Dami.